So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. So we have some new news from BlackRock about the Bitcoin spot ETF. So what is this news and how this can affect Bitcoin's price and other cryptocurrencies? This is what we'll be going over in this video. So let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen to discuss more about some recent articles that we have gotten from big news firms such as Fox Business and other articles that we can see. So let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are on this article called theblog.co. So this news article's title reads, BlackRock expects spot Bitcoin ETF approval next Wednesday by Fox Business. So this quote is quoted by Fox Business, and this is Fox Business is the source where we got this news from, that BlackRock is expecting the Bitcoin spot ETF approval next Wednesday. So let's read more of this article. It says, the wait for approval of an exchange traded fund ETF that trades Bitcoin directly, known as the spot Bitcoin ETF, may be over as soon as next Wednesday. According to a report in Fox Business, BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager and one of the firms vying to bring a spot Bitcoin ETF to the market, expects its application to be approved next Wednesday. BlackRock is one of the several firms which submitted updated 19B4 filings on Friday for proposed spot Bitcoin ETF. Alongside Grayscale Investments, Valkyrie, ARC21 Shares, and Invesco. The Cboe BZX exchange also filed forms for VanEck, Wisdom Tree, Pando Asset, AG, and Franklin Templeton last week. The approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs are generally anticipated by crypto proponents, who wager that the funds could bring billions in fresh funding into the cryptocurrency sector. The price of Bitcoin has skyrocketed in the recent months, signaling the market's enthusiasm for the prospect of exchange-traded products that hold Bitcoin, rather than merely speculate on the price through future contracts. So, what does this mean? This means that we could see the spot Bitcoin ETF approval as soon as Wednesday. Now, this news has come from Fox Business by a report from them, and this is most likely true because it is coming from such a big company. So we have to rely on the date that they have provided us. So the date is Wednesday, and that would be January 10th. So January 10th was a very speculated date in the crypto community, and this date has been talked about for a long time because people knew that this is the deadline that the SEC has to approve some Bitcoin ETF applications, and this is why this date is very important. And on this date, we could also see their spot Bitcoin ETF, so BlackRock spot Bitcoin ETF, getting approved, also as long as other firms also. So we have to wait and see for Wednesday to see if we can see this approval very soon, and how this will affect the Bitcoin price in the very near future. So this will benefit Bitcoin and also other cryptocurrencies. So we may see a big rally in Bitcoin and in other possibly alt token as well. So we have to wait and possibly see what this Bitcoin ETF brings to these cryptocurrency markets. So that was it for this video, guys. In this video, we talked about how BlackRock is expecting their Bitcoin ETF getting approved by Wednesday, which is January 10th. So this is the expected date it will be approved. And if you are new to this channel, I do daily crypto live streams on this channel. We talked about daily crypto news, price changes, or any news that we have in the crypto community. So we do that daily on this channel, and also stay tuned for any long form videos that I create. So I create videos like this to keep you informed about any crypto news that we have and anything that we have seen recently in the crypto community. So that was it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, and also drop a comment down below of what type of videos I should create. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.